I've got 160 acres in the valley, got 160 acres of the best. I've got an old stove there that'll cook 3 square, and a bunk where I can lay me down to rest. Up with dawn, to greet the sun, I've forgotten what a care or worry means. Headed home, when day is done, with my pocket in my jeans. I've got 160 acres full of sunshine, got 160 million stars above. I've got an old paint horse, I'm the guy who's boss on that 160 acres that I love. Up with dawn, to greet the sun, I've forgotten what a care or worry means. Headed home, when day is done, with my pocket money jingling in my jeans. Got 160 acres full of sunshine, got 160 million stars above. Got an old paint horse, I'm the guy who's boss on that 160 acres that I love. Got an old paint horse, I'm the guy who's boss on that 160 acres that I love.
Up in the morning at the break of day, you'll hear a big-bearded cowboy at the chuck wagon say, "Gather round, boys, the coffee's hot on the fire. There's a full day of branding, we're heating the irons. I want to smell that scorched hair and burning hide. Horses of grain, boys, they're ready to ride. Roll up your bedroll and jump in your boots. Daylight is a-wasting, boys, it's out of the chutes. Come on and ride, cowboy, ride. Roll up your rietas and pull your sombrero down tight. We're gonna ride, ride, ride where the trail will wind. You better drive, 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 or we'll leave you behind. Come on and ride, 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 cowboy, ride. It's a beautiful morning, you've had a good rest. You ropers get ready to be at your best. Saddle them ponies and tighten the cinch. Put your gloves on and take your hat off the fence. We'll get the cattle to market, and after they're sold, you can all let your hair down, get lazy or bold. Ride into town and find a lady or two to take you by the arm and shake the dust off your boots. Come on and ride, cowboy, ride. Roll up your rietas and pull your sombrero down tight. We're gonna ride, ride, ride where the trail will wind. You better drive, 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 or we'll leave you behind. Come on and ride, ride, ride.